Hi everybody, thank you for joining me on this short training video on simple VDL forms and tables. My name is Majid Bazrafshan and I'm a lead consultant at FICO Xpress Optimization. In today's video, we will be talking about how we can create custom views with VDL. As you know, VDL is the fourth out of 5 steps that you would need to take to create custom views. Custom view definitions or VDL files sit inside the Client Resources folder. In previous video, we talked about how you can add the name of the VDL files and the name of the tabs in the XML companion file. So how does a VDL file look like? Every VDL page must be enclosed with VDL and VDL page tags. The VDL version number must be specified. Optional class attribute to change the overall page layout can be also added. In this video, we will talk about how you can use VDL forms and VDL tables to show entities and arrays within your Moselle file, and you would like to give access to business users to change and modify them when they want to run a new scenario. Before going to the demos, I would like to show you where you can find necessary documents and examples on VDL. Once you install Xpress, you can go to Docs section and then Insight, and then there is the Xpress Insight Developer's Guide, where you can find whatever information you need on how to create custom views with VDL. Also, you can go to Examples and VDL folder under Insight and upload the VDL language to your Xpress Insight. Once you upload the VDL file and create a new scenario, you can look at numerous examples on how to create different table layouts, forms, how to create tables, charts, and expressions, validations, and so on. So next, I'm going to show you how we can create custom views that we want with VDL language. In previous video, I showed you that I'm going to have one view group, main view group called input data that contains 3 VDL tabs. One is order, the second is fulfillment center, and the third is shipping information. The first VDL file that I'm going to modify is the orders.vdl. I already created the tables that I need, so I'm going to walk you through the details. Every VDL page starts with a VDL and the VDL version, and then we define a VDL page that contains VDL sections. In every VDL section, you can have several rows and several columns. In this example, first VDL section, I have one VDL row and one VDL column that I'm specifying a VDL table within that frame. For you to add a new column to a VDL table, you would need to specify the entity that you would like to add and whether you want the user to be able to modify that entity or not. If it's an input data, then you probably want your users to be able to modify that. Then you would need to add the command editable set to true. So as you see in this table, I have several columns. And so now let's have a look and see how this looks like in my VDL tab. To show you that, I'm going to go to my application. I've already loaded and run a scenario. So I'm going to my orders tab. The order of the columns are the orders that you specify in your VDL page. My second VDL tab is the depot information. So as you see, I'm following the same nomenclature. I have a VDL table for my fulfillment centers that I list their names in the first column, their address, their lat long information, and if that depot is in service. The third tab that I have is the shipping information. In this shipping information, I'm following the same nomenclature. However, in this tab, instead of showing one table, I'm showing 2 tables side by side. To do so, I have to add 2 columns within a VDL row and specify the size that I would like to assign it to each table. So in this case, my first table is showing the shipping cost, and the second table is showing the depot SKU capacity. Also, as you see in the VDL table, I'm adding the page mode as paged and the page size to be 25. This would make the tables to show only 25 rows in each page. And then we have also the show filter set to true and column filter set to true. This would enable you to search if you want to filter based on the values or the indices in the UI. So as you see in the fulfillment center, I have my table and it was paged as well. in the shipping cost, I have two tables side by side, and you can also search for filter. Also, you can jump to the next page, 2 out of 11, for example, or change or jump to any page that you want in one shot. The last thing that I want to show you is VDL form. In my main configuration, I have my parameter, integer, and one table, input table. VDL forms are showing the name or entity that don't have any dimension. So it follows the same nomenclature. If we go to control panel, we can see that we have VDL form and then a VDL field that we specify the parameter or the entity that we would like to show. So that's it for creating custom views with VDL. To see more examples, please upload the zip file that I showed you and look at the examples that exist in the VDL language example. In next video, we will be talking about VDL charts.